you agree GoPro is falling behind in the competition of 360 action cameras? Since Insta360 has been surprising the world with some mind-blowing 360 cameras with great features, and the GoPro Max 2 has been eagerly anticipated as its predecessor, the original GoPro Max is now more than 3 years old, when GoPro introduced the latest addition to their lineup, the GoPro Hero 11. In September 2022, we were anticipating a refresh for the Max line as well. Unfortunately, the hopes for a revamp of the Max series were not fulfilled alongside the Hero 11 release. So in this video, let's talk about the release date of the GoPro Max 2 and what we can expect from it. Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say? An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer videos simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which altogether create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands of completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today. First, let's talk about the design. GoPro has maintained remarkable consistency in the design of its Hero line, adhering to a highly successful camera design for the past 6 to 7 product releases. In contrast with the initial introduction of the GoPro Fusion in 2017. Subsequently, the GoPro Max followed suit, featuring a similar design but with the addition of a color screen. This inclusion aligned with GoPro's consistent approach in equipping their action cameras from the Hero line with color LCDs. Notably, the GoPro Max stood as the pioneering camera to feature an LCD screen, which was later adopted by the GoPro Hero 9 a year later. Considering GoPro's design history, it is likely that we should not anticipate any significant changes in the upcoming GoPro Max 2. Currently, the GoPro Max captures videos at a resolution of 6K, but once the footage is stitched together, the final resolution is reduced to 5.6K. Unfortunately, the maximum frame rate is limited to 30 FPS, which can be disappointing for those seeking to slow down videos during post-production, as there is no default slow motion feature available. However, with the upcoming GoPro Max 2, we might witness significant improvements in terms of camera sensor and lens, possibly even incorporating mods. This could potentially elevate the specifications, leading to a final resolution of 5.7K or even 6K after stitching, along with a potential frame rate boost to 60 FPS. It's worth noting that exceeding 6K resolution would pose challenges in post-production, particularly when editing on mobile devices, due to the huge file size. Additionally, the GoPro Max 2 might offer native slow-mo recording capabilities at higher frame rates, potentially reaching 120 FPS or even higher, enabling better slow-motion captures. Addressing the issue of lens refraction when used underwater is also a problem that we hope the GoPro Max 2 will tackle and resolve. Introduced in 2019 with Hyper Smooth 2.0, the GoPro Max made significant advancements in stabilization technology. However, the most recent addition to the Hero line, the Hero 11, now boasts the impressive Hyper Smooth 5.0, which surpasses its predecessors by a notable margin. Therefore, it is highly probable that the upcoming GoPro Max 2 will introduce the next iteration, Hyper Smooth 5.0, taking the stabilization capabilities to new heights. Now, to achieve higher frame rates, a more advanced processor is required in the GoPro Max 2 compared to its predecessor. Fortunately, GoPro already incorporates a superior processor, the GoPro GP2. In some of its other camera models, it is highly unlikely that the GoPro Max 2 will benefit from this processor, ensuring improved performance. While there is a possibility of a GoPro GP3 being introduced in 2023, it seems less probable at this point. The GoPro GP2 was introduced as recently as 2021, and GoPro typically transitions to newer silicon only after maximizing the potential of the existing chipset. For reference, the GoPro GP1 made its debut with the GoPro Hero 6 Black in 2017 and continued to be utilized until the Hero 10 Black in 2021, highlighting GoPro's approach to chipset longevity. As for the release date, considering GoPro's historical patterns, it appears that the camera will be unveiled before September 2023. In short, With Insta360 currently holding a strong grip on the 360 action camera market, GoPro finds itself in need of breakthrough innovation to regain its competitive edge. And the details surrounding the highly anticipated GoPro Max 2 remain veiled in secrecy, leaving enthusiasts and consumers eager to uncover its innovations and features. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.